An apology can sound sincere and still be part of the same pattern. Some people say sorry because they regret hurting you. Others say it because they fear losing access to you. The hardest lesson is learning that words can change in seconds, while patterns take much longer to change. Today, we'll uncover 7 things you should never do when a toxic person apologizes. 1. Don't forget the pattern just because they said sorry. An apology can explain a moment, but it cannot erase a pattern. Never let one emotional conversation make you forget repeated behavior. Forgiveness should not require you to forget what experience taught you. Watch what changes after the apology, not just what was said during it. 2. Don't rush to trust them again. An apology can reopen a door, but trust must still be rebuilt. Trust is not restored by promises. It is restored by consistent behavior. You can accept someone's apology without immediately giving them the same access. Time reveals whether remorse was genuine or simply convenient. 3. Don't let guilt make your decision for you. Someone saying sorry does not automatically make you responsible for their feelings. You are allowed to need time before deciding what comes next. Compassion does not require immediate reconciliation. And protecting your peace is not cruelty, even when someone regrets what they did. 4. Don't accept an apology without accountability. Real remorse does not hide behind excuses. "I'm sorry you felt hurt" is not the same as taking responsibility. A genuine apology names the behavior instead of blaming the reaction. When someone truly understands their mistake, they do not need to rewrite the story. 5. Don't confuse regret with change. Feeling bad about what you did is not the same as becoming better. Remorse is an emotion, change is a pattern. Anyone can promise to do better when they fear losing you. The real apology is what they consistently stop doing afterward. 6. Don't ignore how you felt before the apology. Your pain does not become imaginary because someone finally said sorry. Sometimes we forgive the words and forget what the behavior did to our peace. Listen to the apology, but also listen to the wisdom your experience gave you. Your emotional exhaustion is information, not something you need to apologize for. 7. Don't give them unlimited access again. Forgiveness can be given while access is still limited. You can release resentment without reopening every door. Someone can deserve compassion without deserving the same position in your life. And sometimes the healthiest response to an apology is acceptance with stronger boundaries. The truth is, not every apology deserves another opportunity. Some apologies deserve forgiveness, while others deserve distance. You don't have to become bitter. You don't have to become cold. You simply have to become wise enough to judge change by consistency, not promises. Because real change doesn't ask you to believe it. It gives you a reason to believe it. If you've ever accepted an apology, but still felt something was wrong, like this video, comment, "I watch actions, not words." Subscribe to Unspoken Truths for more psychological truths, emotional intelligence, self-respect, life lessons, and timeless wisdom.